Now, in our funded and focused feature, we're talking to that woman facing crisis. As emotionally heavy as it feels, it's actually now. It's the time to use the same strength that's carried you so far to rebuild your own financial foundation. When everything falls apart, the job, the income, the plan, you don't wait for someone to save you. You act. You've been the backbone, the problem solver, the peacekeeper. Start where you are. List your skills, make your calls, send your invoices, and turn what you know into cash flow. Offer your expertise, promote your services, reach out to people who can open doors. Each move you make, no matter how small, pushes you forward. Being funded and focused means no longer shrinking back when life gets hard. It means turning pain into purpose and purpose into profit. You rebuild by doing one small email, one client, one confident step at a time.